here with Airtime with Tony, and we are at the 50th Sun and Fun 2024, and I am on Candy Row here. This is the Warbird Alley, and I've got a MiG-29 right behind me, and we've got a whole bunch of Mustangs and just all kinds of great stuff all around here. We're really enjoying the day. I tell you, if you've never been here, you need to come check it out. So anyway, I acquired a picture of Mad Max in 2000, and so this is an older restoration, but this is a two-seat Mustang, and one that I've admired for quite some time, and just cool stuff. And then you got Crazy Horse, of course, and that's where everybody that flies Mustangs goes to get checked out. So right up here we got a T-28 painted up just like the way I'd have it if I have one. In fact, if I was going to get a T-28, this is exactly what I would want it to look like. I love the navy blue. It's just a great airplane. Over 1,400 horsepower. Basically has the performance of a P-51 Mustang for a fraction of the price. And here's an F-16. It's been converted into a target drone. So these guys actually fly these F-16s and let the other guys chase them around. That's an awesome bird right there. So yeah, so here's an A-10. This is one of my favorite planes ever. I mean, this thing here is just, it's a close air support fighter. I mean, it drops about everything in the Air Force inventory. It was basically built on a gun, massive 12-foot long gun. And this airplane here, though, is kind of the next gen of the Strike Master. So the Strike Master is a British version, but it was a close air support fighter. This was kind of what came after that. So after the A-37 Dragonfly was phased out, and after the Strike Master was phased out, this is kind of what came next. And it's a beast, and it's actually quite an old airplane now, but it's been in service for quite a while, and there's still quite a few of them serving, and just an absolutely amazing close air support fighter. This is the jam, T-45 Goshawks. These are awesome. These actually come into Sarasota quite frequently on training. Current U.S. Navy and Marine trainers, pretty much everybody that's going to fly fighters goes through these, and eventually these are going to start ending up in civilian hands. I'd love to get a hold of one of these. These things are mean. Mildly supersonic.
Do you think you'll ever bring your Strike Master down to Sun and Fun?
I'm hoping to have it here next year. We should. There's no reason we shouldn't have it here next year. So this is Jet Row, and as you can see, quite a few of them are getting ready to take off. Some are probably heading home. Some are just going up taking people for rides. But all the way down here is kind of all the vintage Warbird jets that basically civilians own. So when I bring the Strike Master next year, we'll be somewhere up or down this row and probably have something unique. I've never seen a Strike Master here at Sun and Fun, so that'll be fun. This year was the 50th anniversary of Sun and Fun, and man, I gotta tell you, these folks got it right. It was an incredible show. It was a great day. The weather was perfect. I'm so glad they did it. I think they did it a little earlier this year, and it was cool. It was wonderful. It was a fantastic day. Had a great day with my family. Had a great day with our senior aviation team. We just had an awesome time. And I'll tell you what, I look forward to Sun and Fun every year. Next year, I'm going to have hardware there, i.e. airplanes. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to get these things ready. I'm already on a schedule, but we are going to have a great Sun and Fun next year. It's something we do every year. I've been doing it for decades. And so we're gonna have some good videos coming up from some of the things we did there. So just be looking out for that. But make sure you go catch an air show this summer because they're great. It's awesome. You get to see a lot of cool hardware. It's something you don't want to miss.